When it comes to keeping your drinks and food perfectly chilled on long outings, the best coolers for ice retention are essential. Designed for maximum insulation and durability, these coolers ensure ice stays solid for hours, even in the hottest conditions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Rolling Cooler. The Coleman Rolling Cooler is designed for extended outdoor use, making it a reliable companion for camping trips, tailgates, and beach outings. Its fully insulated lid and body keep ice solid for up to 5 days, even in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring drinks and food stay refreshingly cold. The cooler features heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and durable toe and swing-up handles, allowing smooth transport over grass, sand, or gravel. Practical design touches include molded cup holders on the lid that accommodate up to 30-ounce tumblers and a sturdy, have-a-seat lid that supports up to 250 pounds, providing extra seating in outdoor settings. The stain-resistant liner and leak-proof channel drain plug make cleanup simple, while the recessed lip offers easy access to contents. With a generous capacity of 160 cans, it handles large gatherings or long trips without issue. Whether moving across uneven terrain or keeping food and beverages cold for days, this cooler combines convenience, durability, and versatility, making it a standout choice for anyone needing a heavy-duty rolling cooler that performs consistently in demanding outdoor conditions.
Number 2. Igloo Maxcold Cooler. The Igloo Maxcold Cooler combines innovative design with durable construction to provide exceptional performance in keeping food and drinks cold for extended periods. Its thick, ultra-therm foam in both the body and lid delivers Maxcold 5-day ice retention, making it ideal for long camping trips, sporting events, or weekend outings. Built from UV-protected polyethylene with infrared technology, the cooler resists sun damage, maintaining its strength and appearance over time. The horizontal telescoping handle reduces lifting effort by 50%, while soft ride wheels and a cushion grip handle make towing fully loaded contents effortless. The cooler also features virtually indestructible stainless steel hinges, which add to its long-term durability. With thoughtful design features focused on ease of transport and rugged use, the Igloo Maxcold Cooler is a dependable option for those who need a reliable, high-capacity cooler that can withstand heavy use while maintaining ice for days. Its combination of sturdy construction, smart ergonomics, and proven ice retention technology makes it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize convenience and durability without compromise.
Number 3. Coleman Xtreme Cooler. The Coleman Xtreme Cooler offers impressive ice retention and portability, making it an ideal choice for camping, beach trips, or tailgating. Using Xtreme technology, this cooler keeps ice frozen for up to 5 days, even in temperatures up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring beverages and perishables stay chilled. Its large capacity accommodates up to 84 cans, striking a balance between portability and storage. Designed with convenience in mind, the cooler features durable wheels and a robust lid that supports up to 250 pounds, doubling as a seating option for outdoor events. The improved leak-proof drain system allows for easy water removal without tipping or tilting, simplifying cleanup after extended use. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance across rough terrain, and the thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for those who require a portable cooler that combines durability with extended ice retention. Whether navigating a sandy beach, grassy campsite, or tailgate lot, the Coleman Xtreme Cooler delivers consistent cooling performance while remaining easy to maneuver and practical for group use.
Number 4. Ninja 45 QT Cooler. The Ninja 45 QT Cooler is engineered for high-performance outdoor storage, providing exceptional ice retention and separation of food and beverages. Utilizing Frostvolt technology, cold air moves into the Frostvolt dry zone, keeping food cool and dry at safe temperatures for multiple days. With a 45-quart capacity, the cooler fits up to 68 cans without ice or 40 cans with ice, accommodating medium to large gatherings. Its durable construction includes up to 3 inches of insulation, ensuring long-lasting cold performance, while all-terrain wheels are puncture-resistant and weather-capable, allowing easy transport across sand, gravel, and grass. Smarter packing is another advantage, as food and drinks can remain separate without transferring to secondary containers. Built with highly durable materials, this cooler is designed to withstand rigorous outdoor conditions, making it suitable for camping, fishing trips, or tailgating events. Its combination of premium ice retention, versatile storage, and rugged mobility makes the Ninja 45 QT cooler a practical and efficient solution for keeping food and beverages cold, organized, and accessible throughout.
Number 5. Coleman Pro Cooler. The Coleman Pro Cooler is a high-capacity, durable option for those who need reliable cooling for large gatherings or long trips. With a 55-quart capacity, it holds up to 92 cans without ice, making it ideal for family outings, tailgates, or camping. Fully insulated walls and lid maintain ice for up to 5 days, while extra thick walls provide maximum durability and cooling efficiency. The cooler is designed with heavy-duty wheels and an extendable handle, allowing effortless transport even when fully loaded. Its steel latch opens and closes with one hand, while the oversized drain plug simplifies water removal and cleanup. The robust construction ensures the cooler withstands frequent outdoor use, and the practical design elements, such as sturdy wheels, thick insulation, and large capacity, make it a standout choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Whether used at a sporting event, backyard gathering, or remote campsite, the Coleman Pro Cooler combines convenience, durability, and performance, providing consistent ice retention and reliable portability for extended outdoor adventures.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.